Hey, real quick, I got a video of the first start of this motor, and I kind of got like the first video of it, the first couple seconds is like kind of a blooper where we had an injector blowout. I thought it was kind of funny. And then the second video that comes into play is the actual start of this motor. Excuse the camera tree of it. My buddy was filming it and walking around. It's kind of crazy. I didn't know he was filming, but just wanted to let you know it's the very first start of this motor. This motor's been sitting built for like almost 3 years on a stand. So relying on that everybody did their job good. And I got the cams redone. I got a high flow pump in my oil pan, the torque converter. I got different springs and lifters. I got the 240 heads. It's cammed. I got a timing or a cam chain. This Alibaba wiring harness. I'm having the motor flashed from the LSX Specialties. So here's the video. It's real short, and so anything you see too wrong, whatever, I rigged up something, a little starter button and a little, make sure we had oil pressure. Was still kind of dialing in the fuel pressure regulator, but here it is. Watch it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong. All right, thanks YouTube, bye. And then I should just hit the power and it should go.
Wanna just fuel it once? Let's fuel it. Right. Oh, I hit the fuel, watch that regulator.
All right, go.
This is gonna tell us where we're at.
Oh shit, what was that? A little ejector on or something. Good?
Yep.